Hi everyone, I'm Gabby Popovich, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do simple and easy shelf styling for your home. In my dining room, I like to use a combination of decorative objects and household items such as cookbooks, vases, candles, artwork, and plants. Now, these tips and tricks I'm about to show you, you can incorporate into any area of your home if you want to create a more stylish and cohesive look. As a general rule, I like to arrange items in odd groupings, so either 1, 3, or 5 whenever possible. This is an easy way to make sure that your items look more intentional and put together. When using smaller or shorter items, I like to use books stacked on top of each other to create height and dimension. You might also notice that I am keeping an equal amount of space apart from each of the groupings so that the shelves don't appear cluttered. For the sideboard, I use the same styling principles as I did for the shelves. I placed a single oversized vase on the far right, 3 candles on the opposite side, and in the center I layered in artwork, a marble board, and a candle with some strung beads. The idea here was to create depth and dimension. Another styling tip is to keep your color scheme to about 3 or 4 colors. I've used neutral pieces for the most part so that everything looks cohesive. I find that it becomes harder to style when you have too many colors going on, especially in a small space like this, so keeping it to a minimum is key. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all on the tips and tricks that I've provided in this video, or any questions on the product sources, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I would be happy to let you know. Thanks again. See you next time.